Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, September 17, 2021 on our channel. Sanhua extended the LPF Electronic Expansion Valve range. Area President Marco Buoni's talk at UN-FAO Food Systems Summit on 20th of September. BITZER provides components for successful vaccine production and storage in China. Epta at ATMO Europe Summit. Uwajimaya adopts Honeywell technology to modernize Flagship Seattle store. World Ozone Day. Modine Manufacturing Company announced that it has entered into a strategic partnership with Advancoat LLC. So, first news today. Sanhua extended the LPF Electronic Expansion Valve range. The commercial refrigeration sector can expect a major boost to performance, energy efficiency and convenience with the arrival of the newly developed Sanhua Electronic Kit, SEK. Existing market and value networks are set to be disrupted by this new plug-and-play solution from Sanhua, a global leader in advanced technology solutions for refrigeration industries. Benefits of the new SEK include a choice of up to 20 refrigerants and capacity up to 16 kilowatts, with all required products provided in a single box that delivers ultimate convenience for installers and technicians. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Area President Marco Buoni's talk at UN-FAO Food Systems Summit on 20th of September. On September 20th, the Italian Ministry for Ecological Transition, the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, and the Ozone Secretariat will host an event that will put a spotlight on the critical role of sustainable cold chains in ensuring food safety and security, reducing food waste and loss, mitigating climate change and preventing the depletion of the ozone layer, in deep connection with the Montreal Protocol, its Kigali Amendment, and its Rome Declaration on Sustainable Cold Chain Development. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. BITZER provides components for successful vaccine production and storage in China. June 19, 2021 marked the milestone of 1 billion doses of vaccinations against COVID-19 in China, contributing to the global fight against the pandemic. The specialist for refrigeration and air conditioning technology BITZER adds its contribution to this success. In Beijing and Wuhan, 2 new projects with BITZER products ensure the stability of the production and storage of vaccines against COVID-19. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Epta at ATMO Europe Summit. Epta renews its participation as gold sponsor at ATMO Europe Summit, which will be held online on 28 and 29th of September. Dedicated to specialists of the HVACR sector, the 2-day event is an essential appointment to investigate the most recent innovations of the natural refrigerant systems with more than 500 experts from Europe, the Middle East and Africa. It will also be the opportunity to share market prospects, new regulations, and successful case studies. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Uwajimaya adopts Honeywell technology to modernize Flagship Seattle store. Honeywell announced Uwajimaya, one of the largest Asian grocers in the Pacific Northwest, has adopted its Solstice N40, R448A, lower global warming potential, GWP, refrigerant for its Flagship Seattle location to modernize the facility and grow its sustainable practices. Uwajimaya retrofitted its commercial refrigeration system at the Seattle store with Honeywell's reduced GWP alternative, replacing high global warming potential refrigerant R22. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. World Ozone Day. The Montreal Protocol started life as a global agreement to protect the ozone layer, a job it has done well, making it one of the most successful environmental agreements to date. A united global effort to phase out ozone-depleting substances means that, today, the hole in the ozone layer is healing, in turn protecting human health, economies and ecosystems. But, as this year's World Ozone Day seeks to highlight, the Montreal Protocol does so much more, such as slowing climate change and helping to boost energy efficiency in the cooling sector, which contributes to food security. Read more the news on our website today. Seventh news today. Modine Manufacturing Company announced that it has entered into a strategic partnership with Advancoat LLC. Modine Manufacturing Company, a diversified global leader in thermal management technology and solutions, announced that it has entered into a strategic partnership and license agreement with Advancoat LLC, an engineering company dedicated to providing corrosion protection and indoor air quality solutions for the HVAC/R industry located in Pompano Beach, Florida. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.